Hey y'all, I just wanted to talk to you guys really quickly about making the tertiary colors, and I just want to make sure that you all understand about mixing the colors and how heavy to make the base layer of the first color before you actually get started. So these are the tertiary colors, and I wanted to show y'all see if I can do this like this. I wanted to show you the base colors that would need to happen before you actually do the tertiary colors, and just actually show you guys the difference between what's going on with the first layer. So you've got your red orange right here. I've got a base layer of orange right here. If you look at this orange compared to, let's say, this orange right here, I don't know if you can tell much of a difference, but on this one, the difference is on the very edge of this, I made that tone much darker. Well, darker than that. I would say like a shade darker than this. This, you can't really see the paper through it so much. This, you can see the paper a little bit through it. So I just didn't bump up the value. I did actually value shade this thing from dark to light, but I just didn't make it as waxy here, because I've got to put a color on top of it. I've got to put that red orange on top of that right there. And the same goes for the other colors. What may be valuable to you guys is if I compare this green right here to this green. If you see this regular green right here it's pretty dark right here in this little area, but if you look at this little area here, this does not have the layers that this one has. So this is a base layer right here for the blue green that's gonna happen here. And if you look here at this blue right here, it's similar. And if you look at the red, see how that's lighter? It's just a shade, I would say, lighter than that red. So that's, in general, like the first little step is you would put the base layer of the first color that would happen whenever you're actually, excuse me, that was kind of loud. That what you're about to do right there. So what I'm gonna do is I will do a little bit of this just to give you a little preview of what's going on. But so what we're trying to make here is we're trying to make that red orange right there. So what I'll do right here is I'll start right here after I've laid down my orange here. I'll go ahead with my red orange, and I'm just layering it on top of that. And what I'm trying to do here, let's see here, this is better. I don't know if it would help if I did this. Okay. So I'm going to start to layer, and I'm going to try to match what I'm doing right here with that. So that base layer of orange definitely is going to give it that ground that it needs to layer it. Now you will, with this, you will actually layer it to where it will be eventually opaque. And that means you don't see through it on the edge of this, but you will fade it out right there as you go. We are reaching the 5-minute mark on this, so I'm going to stop this video.